I'm Kevin. I go to Los Gatos High School. This is my third milestone video. My project is a sprint timer, of course, and for this milestone, I coded the timing, the actual timing aspect of the timer. I also CAD'd some cases, which you can see right here to store everything, and I did a little bit of assembly and wiring, which you can see right here, just like a little bit of wiring and soldering I had to do. So I'll just show you a quick demo real quick. Um, so these red things you can see right there are motion sensors, and that's what's going to start and stop the timer. So I wave my hand right across, and you can see on the screen it says it's starting timing. That's just to verify the timing has started. And then once I wave my hand across this motion sensor, it'll end the timing session. All right. As you can see, it ended the time, and it recorded 12 seconds about, and that's pretty accurate based on all the testing I've done so far. So how this thing works, the distance sensors will only record distance, and whenever I wave an object within a certain threshold, that's when it'll sort of detect an actual object is there, and then the ESP32 that's connected will send a signal to the receiving one, which is part of the finishing setup of the timer, and that just basically gets the finishing motion sensor to prepare for an object that's going to cross it. And once it crosses that threshold, it sends a message back, and which will provide the final time. And it just prints the time on the LCD screen, and there you have it. Some challenges. Well, when I first wrote the code, I utilized the internal clocks of both the ESP32s, and that kind of caused some offset when timing because I had like some formula that would like do some subtraction or something to calculate the elapsed time, and that would cause like error due to offset. And what I did to fix that, I just swapped some of the lines of codes between the two ESP32s, maybe remove some as well. And I made it so I only utilized the internal clock of the starting ESP32, and that eliminates any error due to offset. And after that, everything was pretty accurate, like no issues with that at all. And for the next steps, I got to start working on modifications now. I'm probably going to do something pretty simple, like adding some lights, and I might also do something a little more complicated, like finding the distance between the two setups, like if you just place them randomly, maybe something like that.